Have you ever felt that sudden panic, that unexpected leak at the most inconvenient moment? Imagine a life where you no longer worry about bladder control, where confidence is restored, and daily activities are enjoyed without hesitation. Today, we're diving deep into a product that promises just that transformation. Femipro. Bladder issues are more common than many realize, affecting millions worldwide. It's not just a physical inconvenience, but an emotional burden, leading to embarrassment and a diminished quality of life. Traditional treatments often involve invasive procedures or medications with undesirable side effects. But what if there was a natural alternative? Enter Femipro. Femipro is a dietary supplement designed specifically to address bladder control issues. Its formulation boasts natural ingredients aimed at restoring balance and strengthening bladder function. But does it live up to its claims? Let's explore. One of the standout features of Femipro is its commitment to natural ingredients. In a market flooded with synthetic solutions, Femipro offers a blend that includes Mimosa pudica. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, it aids in soothing the urinary tract. Bearberry, traditionally used to combat urinary tract infections, promoting overall urinary health. Probiotics, essential for maintaining a balanced microbiome, crucial for bladder and vaginal health. These ingredients work synergistically to target the root causes of bladder issues rather than just masking the symptoms. But ingredients are just one part of the equation. The efficacy of any supplement lies in its real-world results. Numerous users have reported significant improvements after incorporating Femipro into their routines. For instance, Emma from Ohio shared, "Wearing incontinence pads every day made me feel like an 80-year-old, not 45. But thanks to Femipro, I now feel like a confident woman again." Such testimonials highlight the potential life-changing benefits of this supplement. Moreover, Femipro offers added value with exclusive bonuses for bulk purchases. Customers who opt for 6 bottles receive 2 insightful guides. The Passion Prescription, Rekindling the Intimacy in Your Marriage, a guide to reigniting passion and strengthening relationships. The Effortless Guide to Perfect Digestion, Reset Your Gut Health, tips and strategies for optimal digestive health. These bonuses underscore Femipro's holistic approach to well-being, recognizing the interconnectedness of bodily systems. Safety is paramount when introducing any supplement into one's regimen. Femipro prides itself on being free from GMOs and harmful stimulants, ensuring a gentle experience for users. However, as with any supplement, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before starting, especially for those with existing medical conditions or those on medication. In conclusion, Femipro presents itself as a promising natural solution for those struggling with bladder control issues. Its blend of traditional herbs and probiotics offers a multifaceted approach to urinary health. While individual results may vary, the positive testimonials and commitment to quality make it a product worth considering. If you're tired of the constant worry and are seeking a natural alternative to regain your confidence, Femipro might be the answer. To learn more or to make a purchase, visit the official website linked below. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive review. If you found this information helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into health and wellness products. Don't forget to click the link in the description to explore Femipro further. Take control of your health today.